In this week's portion, Nitzavim-Va-Yelech, we near the conclusion of the book of Deuteronomy and the conclusion of Moses' farewell speech to the people of Israel. He focuses his attention on how the Israelites are supposed to carry forth into the land of Israel without him, and what they are supposed to do to remember the covenant. He says that the people should learn this poem that he's about to teach them, a poem that will summarize their religious mission and their history so far as a people and what their potential future has in store for them. The idea that they are supposed to learn a poem is an intriguing one, a sense that it makes it easy to remember and that it has a sense of rhythm and music and eternity to it, that there are images in the poem that will remind them of many other things that happened in their history. And yet, at the same time, they have the whole Torah itself that they are supposed to study as a people all the time. Why do the people also need a poem? Well, I think that this is highlighted by the fact that this week, August 28th, 2013, marks the 50th anniversary of the incredible speech of Reverend Martin Luther King at the Lincoln Memorial. 50 years ago, he stood in front of 200,000 people gathered on the mall that day and repeated the mantra, "I have a dream today." That speech, poetic in form, remains as one of the classic speeches in all of American history. Because of the poetry of that speech, people remembered it for all time. And so, if we understand the power of poetry in speech and in content, then we understand completely why the people of Israel are supposed to learn this poem, which is the portion Ha'azinu, which will be near the final portion of Deuteronomy. We can understand then why that poem becomes so central to our understanding of it as a people and our way to remind us of our religious mission. Shabbat Shalom.